thing number 19, see and hear the geysers explode at Yellowstone. Now I only got to spend 2 days here at Yellowstone, but it's absolutely beautiful. I didn't realise how massive it was. It's absolutely huge, so if you do get a chance to come in the future, then stay for a week or so and do some hiking and go right into the wilderness. Because I didn't get to see any bears this time, which I was really looking forward to seeing. But yes, it's just the most beautiful place. There's lakes, waterfalls, canyons, bison and all other different types of wildlife. And it's just nature on the biggest scale I think I've ever seen. It's just stunning. And definitely one for your list. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and I really hope you get a chance to visit sometime in the future.
Won't you tell me you don't care? Tell me one more time. The face that fits is the one you wear when you're in the firing line. If I ask you once, you tell me twice. You lie to yourself. I see that light shining in your eyes when you're with somebody else, and only try to catch your eye. I'm sorry if I made you cry. In my mind sleeps a child, and I can't wake this child in my mind. No, I can't wake this child in my mind. And I can't wake this child in my mind. No, I can't wake this child in my mind. Every time I talk to you, it has to be the same. Intolerance, well, you say it's gone, but it's still your middle name.
Look at that, Greggy.
Catch your eye.